Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a steering column lock on the Trailblazer, and I'm thinking this is a knockoff of Lok-Itt because I seen on Google and on YouTube they come in a different box, but I mean it looks like it's pretty well built if it's not original. And it has a little fake sticker right here. I think it's a fake sticker. I'm gonna remove that. So basically what this does, it wraps around your steering column, around this part right here. And then, so it comes with this. And then this is the part that blocks everything off. So this piece sits in here on top of that. And then it blocks the ignition, and it pretty much puts this shaft through the steering wheel so it won't be able to turn all the way. And I pretty much opened this box already, and I went through it just to make sure I knew what I was gonna do. These are like the instructions, and then it comes with this padlock. Looks like a big ass heavy duty padlock. So I mean, it's not 100% guaranteed that they won't take your Blazer with this on it, or any other Chevy car, because I mean, in all reality, if they're gonna take it, they're gonna take it regardless of whatever you put on it. But I guess this might give them a hard time to whoever's trying to take it. So we're gonna try do that. And oh, and it comes with these little like foam pieces, and this is basically so you could stick on here or on this piece right here, just to make this this piece kind of fit a little more snug. And then it has two breakaway bolts, and it has that Allen bolt right there. So this is what we're gonna use. I couldn't find my little ratchet, so I'm gonna use this one. It's a 3/8 socket, and this Allen, it's a 3/16. So basically what you do is you remove this and this, and then you remove the Allen, and then this little piece comes off of the top. So we're gonna wipe this down real quick, and then we're gonna get to installing that piece. All right, so now we're gonna install this left piece in first. So you basically just slide it over this. On the Trailblazer SS models, it's kind of dark, but it does have a button right here that adjusts your pedals. So this is gonna cover it. There isn't a specific model where you have access to that button. You might just be able to cut square right here and get access to it, but what I'm doing is I'm just adjusting my pedals all the way down and then sliding this over it, because this is gonna cover it. There's your emergency button. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then, you know what, before we get to installing the other side, I'm gonna put I'm gonna put these little pieces on here. Probably put like one here, maybe one down here, and another one up here, just to make it fit snug. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll put you guys back on. All right, so I got both sides in. It's kind of tight because of those pieces, but it's cool. Sorry if it's kind of dark, it's just that it's pretty late. So now I'm gonna slide this piece on top, just like that, and then put the Allen bolt first. And then I'm gonna do the second bolt. Right now I just did it snug with my finger, and then you have to tighten it all the way till it breaks. All right, well, there's one down here as well, underneath. I don't know if you guys can see that. So now I am going to start tightening the Allen one first, and then I'm gonna work on the other bolt. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the bolt, and all you have to do is just keep tightening that bolt until the head breaks off. There you go. I don't know where that went. Oh, it's back here. So this is it. Now we're gonna do the bottom one. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys because it's pretty dark, but so now once that is done, you're basically done with the install. You slide this piece over the top. Having some trouble, but let me see what the issue is. All right, so the issue that I'm having is that the bolt that breaks off, that should break off, it's kind of in the way. Well, the remainder of it is in the way, so I either file that down or try to open this piece up. So I'm gonna try to file it for now, and if not, I'm gonna stick something in between this this piece right here and just open it up just a little bit, enough to get it to sit right. Just open it up right here. But first I'm gonna try to file that. Let me get a file real quick. I fixed the issue that I was having. All it was is, well, I guess the bolt, I don't know, it was just a little extra metal, and I tried hitting it with this file, but I couldn't get enough off. So what I ended up doing is I used this little hammer. I put it right there. Then I hit it with the bigger hammer, and it created like a little dent. So now it sits good. Then you take your lock, you slide it in there. You make sure your lock is in place, and now even if they try to turn the steering wheel all the way around, it's only going to go so far before this thing hits. And also it covers your ignition switch, and then since this piece is on there, it covers up the steering column. So then you're ready to go. Oh, and also there's no way to get into the padlock. You can't cut it open unless you cut this off, or there's like no way to get a bolt cutter in here. So now let me take this off. Slide that off. Then you slide this off. And you're ready to go. So basically you would carry this around and the padlock. I wish I would have hammered that out before I used the file and all that, because I ended up scratching the coating off of this piece, which is not bad, but I mean it looks ugly, so I might touch it up with the marker. And also on that piece I might do the same thing. So there you guys have it, the Lok-Itt installed on this Trailblazer SS. Make sure to hit the like button if this video helped you out a little bit. Even if it didn't, still hit the like button. Leave a comment down below, ask a question or something. Follow us on Instagram at @youngkid_OXC films. I'll leave that in the description down below. We're a little more active on there, so if you ask us a question on Instagram, we'll get to you quicker. And we have more videos coming on the Trailblazer. We have the Corvette oil pan swap that we're gonna do, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.